So, hello, my dear students. Today I came to inform you that due to COVID 19, where most of the schools were closed, so no syllabus, no proper syllabus. Now, whenever the school reopens, so it will be difficult to cover up all the syllabus. So, for this year 2020 and 21, so the Government of India, the Educational Ministry, has prescribed a new syllabus. So, I'm just giving you the syllabus of CBSE of Standard 9. So, what are the chapters were included and what are the chapters were deleted? So, before I would say, so I would like to request you to bring your maths textbook, a copy and a pencil, so that wherever it is required, if you feel, you just write, that means you just copy it down. Now, take out maths textbook. You pause the video, till then you bring your maths textbook, copy and a pen, and you just follow whatever I am saying. Wherever it is required, you tick in the book, and wherever it is required, you can write on the copy. So, the syllabus. So, class 9 CBSE syllabus. Now, just I am giving you the maths. Right from the chapter 1, that is real number system. There exercise 1.4 is completely deleted. You just cross it out, exercise 1.4, that's all. Now come to chapter number 2, polynomials. There also exercise 2.3 is completely deleted. And you see in 2.5 also there is a formula x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3xyz. So related to that formula all the sums were deleted. So that means from exercise 2.5 you delete this question number 11, 12, 13, 14. All these 4 sums were deleted from the course. Now come to chapter number 3, coordinate geometry. No deletion. All chapter, everything in this chapter is included, because only those chapters were included which is necessary for you for the higher classes, isn't it? So what is not necessary for the higher classes, that were deleted. Now chapter 4, that is linear equation, that is also complete chapter is included, no deletion. Now come to lesson number 5, chapter 5, that is introduction to Euclid's, that is geometry part, not geometry part, Euclid geometry, that is completely deleted. Whole chapter number 5 is deleted. Okay. Now come to chapter 6, that is lines and angles, is an important chapter. Further also its importance is there. So, it's no deletion, whole chapter is included, no deletion. Now, chapter number 7, that is triangles. You know, we have one property ASA, angle, side angle. So, related to this property, all sums were deleted. That means theorem number 7.1, I think page 115, theorem number 7.1, 7.4 and 7.5. These three, 7.1 and 7.4 is deleted. Exercise 7.4 and exercise 7.5, both exercises were deleted. Okay. Now come to chapter 8, quadratic, also quadrilation. There no deletion. Everything is quadrilateral one, everything is importance. Now come to chapter 9, areas of parallelogram and triangle. Areas of parallelogram and triangle completely deleted. Isn't it good? I think you feel happy if more relation part will be from geometry. I think, isn't it? Now come to the next part. Means nothing, no, whole chapter number 9 is deleted. Not 10. Chapter number 10, that is circles. In that, theorem number 10.5 and theorem number 10.10, 10.10, both theorems were deleted, and exercise 10.3 is also deleted. Exercise 10.3 is completely deleted. Now construction part. Construction part, in 11.2, only two questions were deleted, question number 4 and question number 5. These two were deleted. Now come to lesson number 12, Heron's formula. Exercise 12.1 is completely included. All sums were important. But come to exercise 12.2, there, see what are the questions were deleted. Listen carefully. Question number 1, 2, 3. All the 3 were deleted. Okay. And again on the other page, question number 5 and 9 were deleted. That means you have to do question number 4, 6, 7 and 8. These 4 sums you have to do in all in that particular exercise. Now come to chapter 13, surface area and volume. I think it's important chapter. No deletion is included. Now statistics, 14.2. Only in that exercise bar graph is included, remaining rest are deleted. Only bar graph related to bar graph is included, that is essential for the higher classes, and rest of the things are deleted. Now is included, only bar graph is there, rest is deleted. Now chapter number 15, that is probability, it's must, it's a compulsory subject. So lesson number 15 is whole exercise is included. So that's all in the math syllabus. You just, if you are feeling any difficulties, you are getting any difficulties, again you rewind the video and you see it, again you check it, whatever the things has to practice and whatever the things has to delete it. Is that clear? Now I'm just giving you the science part in the next coming video.